The whole object of the exercise really was to have a modern, spacious, light-filled house. We'd been living in listed thatch cottages, all very charming, but we just wanted more space, more light. The reason why we chose a polished concrete floor was really to do with our lifestyle, where we are in the country, we've got lots of dogs and animals around, and so carpeting would not have been practical. We did look at flagstones, limestone, as we had in our previous houses, but having been introduced to the idea and having gone and looked at other houses with polished concrete, we thought that was the best material for us. The house is quite long, and we decided we would go for it. Every square centimetre is the polished concrete, and so it flows very naturally really from one room to the next, from one level to the next. We have it in the bedrooms, we have it in the showers, we have it by the side of the swimming pool, and it's everywhere. And the overall look we love, and other people see it. It's the first thing they mention when they come into the house is, wow, this floor. When you're doing a project like this, you're going to look back and think, we should have done this and we should have done that. With regards to the polished concrete, the only thing we regret is that we didn't have it outside. We have a lot of patios around the house, and if I had to do it again, I would have them made of the polished concrete as well. And that would give us that nice inside-outside effect, which we do achieve with the slabs, but it would have been better with the polished concrete. So more polished concrete, I say, folks.